welcome back to our channel.
Or do you give them the pieces to your friends that they've always asked for? I messed up, I know. I almost had it.
In today's video, we're going to show you a few upcycles to do. In today's video, we're going to show you a few upcycles. I keep missing the word way.
What? Where are the scissors? Does someone have the scissors? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We were just thinking about you guys, and we wanna know. But seriously, what do you guys do with all your school clothes now that school is out?
Do you pass them down to a younger sibling?
Do you give the pieces to your friends that they've always asked for?
In today's video, we're going to show you a few ways to upcycle your school clothes for summer.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when it's time to hang out and enjoy some cousin life. Let's get started.
For all these upcycles, you're going to need some scissors, preferably fabric cutting scissors, but any will do. You'll also need some permanent fabric glue. We like to use liquid stitch. We put the link in the description box below to where we bought it, and optional, a ruler and a pencil.
Upcycle number 1. This is so easy. All you need to do is create your cut line and cut. And you're all done. This was fast and simple. Just look how cute this crop top is. Upcycle number 2. To help keep it simple, using a pair of leggings, place a pair of shorts on top for a guide. Make sure your inseams are lined up on both the shorts and the leggings. If you see that the waistbands are at different heights, that's totally fine. What's most important are the inseams are lined up between the two. Now, using your hand, you're going to create some cut lines. And we like to use just some good old chalk. Now cut away. Once they're cut, you're going to turn your shorts inside out. Next, you're going to grab your permanent adhesive. We like to use liquid stitch. You can pick this up at your local craft store. This works wonders for us because in our cousin life, we are inadequate sewers. Now, run it along the bottom of the legs and fold up. Once you've done that, apply pressure by running your fingers across and then flip it over. And apply permanent adhesive again in the back folds of the legs. Once you've done this, let it dry overnight. And in the morning, you'll be gym ready. Take a look at these. Upcycle number 3. Grab a pair of jeans and fold them inward. You should be able to see the back pockets up front. Pull out the inseam and using another pair of shorts as a guide, line up both inseams. You see how we have done this here? You might see the waistlines are different again, and that's okay like before. But the inseams should be lined up. Place your cut line about a hand below the shorts. Leave the jeans folded because when you cut them, they help stay together. Cutting them one by one decreases the accuracy. Once they're cut, fold up one leg and place some permanent adhesive in the fold. Just like before, apply pressure by running your fingers across the fold. Apply some permanent adhesive in the back fold and repeat these steps again on the same leg. we're going to do a double fold. Put more adhesive. Repeat this again on the back. And do this to the other leg now. Once you're finished, let them dry overnight and you're done. Here's the completed product. Upcycle number 4. Like we did before, cut across the lower part of the shirt. After it's cut, make sure to save the material for later. Now placing one finger in between the bottom of the shirt and another between the top of the shirt, lift and flip the shirt on its side. Smooth the shirt out from the crease. Next, cut slits along the crease, making sure they are close to equal widths apart. This is what it should look like. Take your leftover material and start to cut out some strips. You'll need to cut them long enough to wrap around the slits, and you'll also need to cut enough strips for each slit. Cut, cut, cut. Now that you have enough strips, lift your shirt again, placing the front of your shirt on the table and exposing the back of the shirt to you. Lift your first strip, pinch the middle, create a fold, and then apply permanent adhesive. Pinch it closed for a moment. This will spread some of the adhesive, allowing the strip to attach. And then once you're there, begin wrapping the strip around until you reach the last centimeter of material. Here you'll add another drop of adhesive to close the tail. Make sure to hold for a moment and now continue the steps for the remainder of the slits. Once all the slips are completed, this is what it's going to look like. It's cropped, it's cut, and most of all, it's cute.
Well, there you guys go. A few ways to upcycle your school clothes for summer.
Comment below which one was your favorite.
I think mine were the biker shorts.
For me, it was the muscle tank. If you thought these were cool, give this video a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching.
Aloha!
And adios, Kristen and Kayla.